The bibinka? Okay. And Bella? Wait for Grandma to come. And Daddy. Hey Adam, are you gonna come and watch? Okay.
Yeah, you can open it and one for both of you.
Oh, wait for Grandma and Grandpa. And then we need to go. Then we need to go to sleep because tomorrow we can open the rest. Hey Bella, what's today, honey? Christmas Eve.
Why did you get us presents?
Because you did very well this year.
They picked the best wrapped ones. That was the first one they picked.
Daddy, turn the fireplace, Daddy. Please. I wonder if you
Work it out, Bella. Adam, I think Bella needs some assistance. What'd you get, Marty?
Lego set.
Why don't you help your sister, Marty?
Okay, Mom, you didn't make these functional. They're beautiful, but you didn't make it functional.
Just unknot it.
Well, do you want the romantic effect or do you want the highlighted light? How's that?
Ooh.
No?
Oh, can you lift it up a little bit, please? Mm-hmm. Legos. Okay, thanks.
Where's your dad?
What'd you get, Bella?
No mess.
What'd you get? Marty, what did you get? What is it?
Well, what is it? What is it?
Oh, you can clean it a bit, honey. What is it?
What is it?
Ooh.
What is it, Mommy?
Soft Saints? That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Goretti.
Ooh, St. Maria Goretti, Marty. You love her.
Pick her up.
It's St. Goretti. Let your mommy off. Don't break the box. That's St. Teresa, bless you.
You love her, Bella.
What's your favorite?
Let your daddy take it out.
Go around, yeah.
Where's Scrappy?
Well, you're not gonna play with it right now, honey. You're gonna go to sleep.
Tomorrow morning.
Nice. You're chilly?
Where's your jacket?
You can sleep with them tonight, girls. Say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa. Go give her a hug. Go give Grandma and Grandpa a hug. Grandpa, what about Grandpa?
What'd you get? What'd you get? Lego?
Saints.
What'd you get? Lego? Wow.
Hey. You ready to go to sleep? Okay. Well, we're going to have to change.
Wait.
Like my angel. She looks like an angel.
Look at her.
Ooh, let me see, Marty.
Read about Saint Maria Goretti. There's a tag. See? Read about her to us. She's in painting.
Can you open this?
Wow.
This tag off.
Well, read it.
Here. Here, honey.
Usually they put a rosary or prayer
Hug her.
cards in
Hug her. Yeah, there's a prayer card. Let me see, Marty. Let me see you and St. Maria Goretti.
Daddy.
Bless you. Merry Christmas.
Christmas.